Heat engine. Heat engine is a device which operates in a thermodynamic cycle, converts part of heat energy into work. That is, a heat engine is a device which operates in a thermodynamic cycle, converts a part of heat energy into work. Therefore, a heat engine is a work producing device. Consider this as the heat engine, which is operating in a thermodynamic cycle and produces a work W. Okay, consider this as a T1 and T2. This is the thermal reservoir, which is source, and this is sink. The heat engine, in order to produce a work W, it should receive certain amount of heat, let the heat be Q1, from the higher temperature source and reject certain amount of heat to a lower temperature sink T2 to produce this work by Kelvin Planck statement. Okay. Therefore, a heat engine which is producing the work W will acquire certain amount of heat from a higher temperature source and reject certain amount of heat to a lower temperature sink. Okay. The performance of a heat engine is expressed by thermal efficiency, which is defined as the ratio of desired output to the required input. That is, the efficiency of the heat engine is given by net work output by total heat input. Okay, this is nothing but W net by Q1. Okay, the Q1 is the heat input given to the heat engine in order to produce the work W. Okay, the heat Q1, which is given to the heat engine, is divided into two components or two parameters, which is nothing but the work and the heat Q2. From this, you can derive W is equal to, the work done is equal to Q1 minus Q2. Okay. And if you substitute the value of W in the efficiency equation, you will be getting efficiency of the heat engine is equal to Q1 minus Q2 by Q1. From this, the efficiency of the heat engine can be written as 1 minus Q2 by Q1. Okay, this is the efficiency of the heat engine.